I'm feeling very happy to be in Bombay and coming to the music industry. That is always what I wanted because music has always been my passion. तो इसको professional लेना और to basically pursue a career in the Indian film industry is something that I'm trying to achieve. So that's why I'm here in Bombay, and at a time when it's festive, it's Navratri starting, and Durga Puja is coming. So it's beautiful. It's very nice. I've had, I train in Hindustani classical music, my Guruji, and I also take classes with Kavita Krishnamurti ji. So I have actually, last May of 2018, my first single came out on Zee Music. It was called Khush Fehmiyan, and we reached over 1 million views. And we are releasing my second single. It's called Atisha. It will be released tomorrow. Right now I have another independent non-film music that I'm working on. But yes, that is something that I'm going to pursue, playback singing, and I'll be performing very soon. So those are the two things that's on top of my agenda right now. It was very nice performing at the Bright Awards. It's a prestigious award, and to have an opportunity to perform there was really a very good, it was a great opportunity for me to perform there. So far मैं जिनसे भी मिली हूँ, they have all, without, I can't say, everybody has supported me, everybody has appreciated my songs and my voice. So I'm very happy. I think Filhal, right now, my first goal is to establish a career, but also at the same time eventually help other people, who are struggling to be musicians or singers. I would love to help other people eventually. I would like to really work for, women's emancipation in India, and also for special needs children. That is something that I want to do something in that field with my music. It's a very tough competition because there are, many talents here. Like even in the US, it's the same thing. It's challenging to find a place, and it's going to be, and one needs to do a lot of hard work, and one has to be determined and pursue and not give up. Very happy with what I've achieved because I performed at the Bright Awards, and Khush Fehmiyan reached over 1 million views, and Zee will be releasing Atisha. So far so good. I'm not sure. I'm not performing right now, but I'm working on another music production basically. First of all, you need to have clarity. You need to have a very strong determination, and a little bit of fearlessness is very important. डरना नहीं है कभी भी.
सबसे पहले आप सभी को नवरात्रि की शुभकामनाएं और जय माता दी। और ये जो लहंगा मैंने पहना है ये रियाज गांधी के लिबास से है और ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत है और ये कलर मुझे बहुत पसंद है, इसलिए मैंने ये पहना है। एंड ये स्पेशली नवरात्रि के लिए है। आई नो सब लोग कहते हैं नवरात्रि में थोड़ा हल्का पहनना चाहिए बिकॉज गर्मी होगी, ये होगा, बट अब आजकल जो आप देख रहे होंगे एड्स भी देखी होगी कि कई सारे डोम में, इंडोर्स में भी नवरात्रि हो रही है जहाँ AC लगे हैं, तो इट डज़न्ट मैटर। और जब खेलना है तो पूरी अच्छी तरह से खेलिए, मज़ा आता है। और हमारे साथ जश हैं, US की सिंगर आई हैं और इनका अभी एल्बम लॉन्च हुआ है, तो शी इज़ ऑल्सो एक्साइटेड एंड इनको प्रमोट करते हुए हम लोग भी थोड़े एक्साइटेड हैं। और बहुत अच्छी सिंगर हैं, तो इनका गाना सुनिए। और नवरात्रि में ये कहना चाहूँगी कि आस्था से और पूरे दिल से प्रे करें। अगर आप माता जी को सच में मानते हैं तो प्लीज़ हर लड़की को, हर औरत को थोड़ी सी इज्जत दें। सिर्फ पूजा करने से इज्जत नहीं मिलेगी, लेडी को इज्जत करने से भी उसका फल मिलेगा।
कॉस्ट्यूम के लिए डिज़ाइनर को चूज़ किया जाता है या फिर नेचुरल जो कल्चरल होते हैं वो चूज़ किए जाते हैं, ऑर्नामेंट्स अलग अलग होते हैं, तो वैसे डिफरेंट होते हैं और खेलने में मज़ा आता है। तो मैं खुद गुजराती हूँ तो मैं खेलती हूँ।
It's also from Libas,
Okay.
the same designer
Okay.
they mentioned. And actually, this is the first time I'm wearing a lehenga. So I'm excited about it. And it's heavy, but then it's so pretty that it doesn't matter.
So what is-
Different colors and the work on it, very intricate work.
Okay.
And the
Pastel colors.
pastel colors and all the embroidery, I love it. It's very elegant. And this is really looking forward to it because ये मेरा पहला experience है. You know, Navratri in Bombay. So I think I want to take part in it. I think I plan to dance right now.